Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist, popular Nigerian Instagram comedian and skitmaker Akwa popularly known as Taaooma, has revealed that her visit to the Vice President of the country, Yemi had no ulterior motives. The comedian made this known via her Twitter page on Friday, November 5th, 2021, when she said, "Hey guys, I'm apologizing once again. I had clear intentions and nothing more." While also reacting to a tweet by Twitter user Rino Oduala, the comedian said that she cancelled at first but had a rethink later to join the visit, which is centered towards publicity for an award. In case you missed the gist that led to this apology, well, here you go. Taaooma and other comedians are being dragged after visiting the Vice President Yemi on Wednesday at the presidential villa. According to reports which became known on social media when the pictures were posted, these comedians were said to have visited the Vice President at the presidential villa to promote the Nigerian Skit Award. Well, to control the level of damage and drags that came from Nigerians who weren't satisfied with their visit, the comedians came on social media posting the pictures of their visit and also mentioned that they were there to speak for the youth. The comedians, including Taaooma, Woli Agba, Yemi Elesho, Just So Funny, and Mr. Ayinana, later came on social media to talk about the fact that they were on the visit to speak for the Nigerian youth. And for days now, they have received a lot of criticism from social media. Reacting to the criticism, Taaooma took to her Instagram page to reply some of the comments from people who called her out for receiving brown envelope. Well, after a lot of hours of reflecting, it feels like Taaooma has now made a U-turn, which led to her apologizing today, Friday. Let's check out what she wrote. "I was going to wallow in my shame and keep mute, but with the way it's going, it seems the wound will keep getting deep. The organizers of the Skit Awards needed more publicity for the event, secured a meeting with the VP and invited so many skit makers. I also declined at first as many others. But then, at the dying minute, I gave it a rethink. What if I pull a Trojan, gain access to the State House with this Skit Awards thingy and say my mind on hot issues? Unfortunately for us, after passing through many security checks, all our electronic devices were collected. I couldn't even go live or record videos. All I did was do what others didn't want to. And trust me, the VP himself was shocked when I started speaking about those issues, as that wasn't his expectations. I'm really sorry if I offended anyone by going that way, but I achieved my aim. I said all I could straight to the VP. The VP's media team were in charge of the photos and videos. I might have fully declined if I knew that I wouldn't be able to go in with my camera or phone. The pictures taken after were sent to the Skit Awards PR team. That's why the photos went out before we got our hands on it. I started getting tags and some even said I was being called out. My plan was to get the video as soon as it's ready and post it, but I had no choice than to immediately post the available photo and state what happened at the meeting. I hope when the video is ready, everyone will know I am saying nothing but the truth and my conscience is clear. Once again, I apologize deeply to everyone who felt disappointed." Well, it feels like this apology is not enough for so many people who have asked her to keep her apology because they still feel betrayed over the act by the young comedians to visit the Vice President. What do you think about this? Let's know what you think about this apology by Taaooma in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.